How to make Keto Turkey Taco Bowls. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 10-ounce ground turkey, salt and pepper to taste, ½ teaspoon onion powder, ½ teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 250 gram cauliflower rice, half medium avocado, sliced, 1 tablespoon fresh cilantro, chopped, ½ cup cheddar cheese. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan over medium heat, add olive oil, then add in the ground turkey. Season with salt, pepper, onion powder, cumin, and cayenne pepper. Mix to combine well. 3. Cook the turkey, stirring occasionally until it's brown. 4. Distribute the ground turkey into bowls. 5. Make the cauliflower rice by adding it to the same pan. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. 6. Add the cauliflower rice to the bowls along with avocado slices, cheddar cheese, and chopped cilantro. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 3 servings of Keto Turkey Taco Bowls. Each serving comes out to be 440 calories, 41.8 grams fat, 4.1 grams net carbs, and 30.6 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.